Hello guys, it's Nick Z. This is the coil that I'm working on right now. It's the same Mazilli circuit that I've had, but I've installed some Zener diodes and some other crossover diodes that are UF series also. So connected back up the circuit to this Akula type air core as far as I've gotten it. I need more wire here for this coil here. It goes all the way to here, so I need to finish about another 6 turns. And this one here, this white wire, that's the second layer. It stops here. It needs to go all the way to the end and then go, this is like 24 I believe, so it needs to go like 12 and then another 12, all opposite to the bottom. The bottom is about 48 and 48, whatever, about 100 turns. And then we've got, this is the output coil here, this whole thing here, and it can continue on, but what we have here is the high voltage part, and it goes all the way through, and then it's got some coils up in here that are smaller, and then it goes out to this ferrite rod right over here. So the ferrite rod will connect to a bigger coil that will give the pulses to this output coil here. This coil here is just the resonator that goes from the red output coil on the yoke, the red coil. It goes out to this coil here. So that's what's pulsing this high voltage area. And then actually the induction area, I'm sorry. This whole coil here is part of the output coil, and this is the input to that output coil, but it's connected to this red coil from the yoke here. So anyway, that's the plan, and the high voltage circuit will probably go in this area here somewhere and be connected to this exciter circuit, which is again going to be connected to the big coil here. And I need a bunch more of these tuning capacitors, because I mean, you really need the right ones, and the rest of them aren't doing anything. So anyway, that's what I've got up to now. If I do have the output going to the bulbs from, this is the output coil here, so I do have it going out to these bulbs, these 300 watt bulbs. They're 110 volt. So anyway, that's the idea, and that's what I'm working on and trying to get it together and stuff. Probably have some fans on these MOSFETs in the future, but I may have to make a whole new circuit. We'll see how it goes. Right now I'm still overheating the FET, so I can't really run it for very long. If I run it off the 10 amp battery charger, it'll do much better. Well, it just won't heat up as much. It does eventually. But anyway, just thought I'd let you know what I've been doing here. Maybe somebody has an idea for a high voltage pulser, so we can get this this pulsar situation going here, so it can induce what it's got to do here on the output coil, and we'll see how that affects the way that the bulbs will light up. So, anyway, thanks for watching. See you later.